Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Khan Academy app. First, download the free application from your device's App Store, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, you can easily create a new account or log in if you already have one. This initial step takes only a few moments, granting you access to thousands of educational resources right at your fingertips. You'll then be ready to explore the extensive library of subjects. After logging in, you can easily navigate through a wide array of subjects, including mathematics, science, history, and even test preparation. Simply select a subject that interests you, then choose a specific course to dive deeper. Each course is organized into units, containing multiple lessons. You'll find engaging video tutorials, often around 5 to 10 minutes long, alongside helpful articles to solidify your understanding of new concepts. Learning isn't just about watching videos, it's also about practice. The app offers numerous interactive exercises designed to reinforce what you've learned. As you successfully complete these, you'll earn mastery points and unlock fun badges, motivating your progress. The built-in progress tracker provides a clear overview of your achievements, showing your strengths and areas where you might need a little more focus, helping you stay on track. Khan Academy allows you to personalize your learning experience. You can create a custom learning plan, setting specific goals, and choosing the content most relevant to your educational journey. For learning on the go, download videos to watch offline without an internet connection. Furthermore, the platform supports connecting with coaches or parents who can monitor your progress and offer valuable guidance, enhancing your overall learning support system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.